Okay, so for the connections, let me show you how I'm doing it. So this is the relay. So we need very minimal connections. So first thing we need is the power supply to this relay, which we would take it from the Raspberry Pi. So you can refer the pin out of the Raspberry Pi and just connect the VCC and ground from the Raspberry Pi, like that is the ground supply and the 5 volt supply from the Pi to the ground and VCC of this relay. So this would power up this relay. Now another thing you need to make sure is you take this jumper off, which is initially connected to this VCC JD VCC. So we need to take this off because we don't want to use the same VCC supply that we are going to get from the Raspberry to drive our pump. Like I mentioned, we need to use a different 12 volt adapter, 12 volt supply for our water pump. We don't want to use that from the Raspberry. Now that we have connected the VCC and ground to the relay, the next step is let's connect the motor connections. So first thing we'll need a common ground. So we are taking the ground supply from the Raspberry. So use this connector and connect its ground to the uh, ground of the Raspberry again. So you can see I'm like connecting this ground from which is coming from this adapter, and I have like combined the ground supply from the Raspberry as well to this ground of this power adapter, and the 12 volt VCC from this adapter it's going to this JD VCC port of this relay. Now be careful not to use this 12 volt supply anywhere else in the circuit, because you might burn the circuit, because none of this hardware like this relay or the Raspberry can take 12 volt of supply. So be careful to use this 12 volt supply just on this JDVCC port. And the next thing is next thing is the connect the ground of your motor, that is you can see from this wire. So this which is coming from the motor, the black wire is connected to the ground of this power adapter, and now the VCC, that is the actual power supply for the motor, we would be controlled from this relay. So instead of connecting directly to the power adapter, which would directly turn the water pump on, which we don't want, so we'll connect that red wire to this middle, which is like a common of this relay. So this red wire is coming from the motor, and which is connected to the center pin of the first channel in the relay. And this second gray wire, so that is the 12 volt supply, which is uh, coming from this power adapter. So what would happen is, like when the Raspberry Pi sends the signal to turn the water pump on, it would this relay would actually connect this two wires. So we already the motor pump is already getting the ground from this adapter, and when the relay turns this connection on, it would connect these two wires, and it would the water pump would get the 12 volt supply from the power adapter. Now since we have connected this the motor connection to the channel 1 of the relay, we would need to connect this one jumper from this first channel, which is marked as a iron 1, and we would connect this white cable to the GPIO 17 of the Raspberry Pi. Again, you can use any GPIO port, it's just the code I have written. I'm using GPIO 70. So you can again refer to the pin diagram of your Raspberry Pi depending on the what version you are using, and refer that pin diagram to use this connections. So again, to summarize, all the connection we need is just first the power supply, the VCC and ground, which is coming from the Raspberry Pi. Then connect the ground from the Raspberry Pi to the ground of this 12 volt supply. Then take the VCC, like the 12 volt supply from this adapter, connect it to your JD VCC port, as well as to the third pin of this first channel. And lastly, connect your ground from the water pump, which is this black wire, to the ground of this 12-volt supply, and connect the red wire, which is like VCC of the motor pump, to the center common of the first channel of the relay. So that's about it.